How to log into AliExpress. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log into your account on AliExpress. The first thing you're going to have to do is have the application installed on your device, and then you can just tap on the app to open it up. First thing you'll be asked is to choose your location. Once you select your country and region, you can just go ahead and click on the sign in with Google option for a quick and easy sign in. But if you don't want to do that, you can just go ahead and click on other ways to sign in. So here you're going to have to provide your email or phone number that's connected to your account. And once you have your email entered, just go ahead and tap on next and continue. Then it will ask you for your password. But if somehow you forgot your password, you can click on forgot password option. And alternatively, you could also sign in with an email code. So if you tap on this, sign in with email code, they will send you a 4-digit code on your email. So all you have to do is just go ahead and check your email address. So I've just gotten the code. I'm going to enter it right here. It's going to automatically detect the code and log you into your account. Now you can browse through your stuff that you want to buy. And that's pretty much it. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.